Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jump Task on HoneyGain. First, understand that Jump Task is an alternative payout option within HoneyGain, offering significant advantages. By switching to Jump Task mode, you can boost your earnings by an extra 20%. This method allows for direct cryptocurrency payouts, giving you more control over your funds. It's a straightforward way to maximize your passive income. To begin, open your HoneyGain dashboard and look for the Jump Task toggle. It's usually prominently displayed. Simply click the Enable button to switch your earning mode. Next, you will need to connect your cryptocurrency wallet. MetaMask is a popular choice, but other compatible wallets work too. This connection is crucial for receiving your earnings directly and securely. Once activated, your HoneyGain earnings will automatically convert into Jump Token, or JMPT, and accumulate directly in your connected crypto wallet. A major benefit of Jump Task is the absence of any minimum payout threshold. This means you can withdraw your earnings instantly, whenever you choose, without waiting to reach a specific amount. Enjoy immediate access to your passive income. By utilizing Jump Task, you consistently receive a 20% bonus on all your HoneyGain earnings, significantly increasing your passive income. The instant payouts and direct wallet transfers offer unparalleled financial flexibility and faster transactions. Keep an eye out for exclusive Jump Task events and promotions, which can provide even more opportunities to earn extra rewards. It's a smart way to optimize your HoneyGain experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.